What they end happened in Kisii.
Yes.
Arati made sure everybody fears him.
Okay.
That's why abantu bagwa ebiboko. That is a serious trait y'omuntu ndotegete gukora ibintu ibi. So many guys fear him. Me, I don't fear him, man, but I respect him as the governor. I respect his office because he has reached the position y'abantu bande batari gwika. So fear ineregeta abantu bande batari gukwana.
Yes.
Wait, ekera abantu babaje kurusi chikuro cyo MCA.
Yeah.
Because I can tell you without fear. 80% of MCAs babusongo they will go home.
80%.
I can bet on that. Who can vote for MCA but look one anything can't the county? Who will vote? Honestly, why can you go wake up in the morning you get to work no MCA utana wa the road in the county utarigo watengia magendera delete utarigo watengia abana batari kuri kurusiko ogotena gabana no mya. You know, sometimes abantu bagoja abangina bari bago kwachikura.
Sibara dio oretira mabere sukuru abantu bayagwete.
Wacha maneno.
Abantu bayagwete bya.
Wacha maneno bwana. Mabere ari by the unyali from another perspective.
Yes.
If today we sit here today in Janaido survey, go supply mabere, you'll be shocked. People are doing business, man. People are making money. Guys are making billions of money from Kisii County money. It's not about ina mabere abana baganire kwa ego. No, ni biashara. Have you asked yourself ngia mabera ya dige to KCC akarok fresher lakini abekire bija Arati because in KCC initially are supply
lakini no yana pamwe na na ndio maseneta we county ya Kisii ka kwanira mabera ikagotabanga ni powder.
I don't want to say wasena powder I nje to kwa nozena ya China because honestly tintagetibo kukwana. What I want to what I was saying about mabere, people are making money. Is the mondo wate birenge bya mwananchi. And why in your right senses ngiura bekira abana mabera banyu bagosomera inse yomote. What is that? And then you are inciting abana bande because you mwano of PP1 no mwano play group no mwano PP2 abana they think almost the same way. Kwa abande watiga abande are you not making abana bande ba feel even stressed? Me as a teacher when I did mangana education mwano yonde might not even concentrate. Are you seeing the point? So Maverari, it is one of the misplaced priorities to governor.
Right.
If I was the governor, I would have city centers, Abana was but to a conducive environment. And by the way, Mavere,
yes,
in checking to get is the level of unemployment Yaban to Bugatti. The way to Tabugati Mario Nyagitari Manominto. The way to Tabugati Nyagitari by saying, like yesterday, let me tell you, today is on Friday.
On Friday, yeah.
Yesterday, I got a call, a very distressing call from one to one Wagakong. Do you know what?
Yeah.
No more Nasi Otoka because it depends on they operate some hours in a day. They cooperate 24 hours. No Montocovera from the previous day on Wednesday, Tarenko, Naigorotako then to kick. Okobako then to kick. Aruarit. We are understaffed. Ntubuga ati enough nurses. Ngo ake romo doteneta abanyagitari ya sub county or no meta abanyagitari baraba ngama they have given you few hours. Make sure you have sent umunasi to that kwende abanyagitari because you tubate how to break here kwa bona iga abangina bachire batene negeita mbabuga ati muntu okora gento kick. And these are some of the things boss Mairura raise kwanya romo ndaka ya chiri na haye na ibono romo bo wangite gabana nkomo correct imwanje mo correct me I want to have to be done and you will see me saying your correct. Yes.
Mheshimiwa.
Yes.